Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today, in this video, we are going to see how to connect the mobiles, movies, videos, cartoons or serials to the TV. So instead of watching in the mobile, we could watch in the TV. The cost of watching in the mobile will affect your eyes. So I'm recommending you to watch in the TV. So before getting into the video, those who are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and comment and click on the bell
Guys,
icon.
to connect the mobile video to the TV, we are going to need the app Screen Mirroring. The app's link is given in the description below. So guys, let's get into the app. So guys, first you will be able to see Screen Mirroring. Click on that, then give Others, then give Next. Then it will check whether the TV has the required things. It's the progress running. Then give Next again. Now give Start. Now enable the screen mirroring. Now you could see that it is searching the device. Now I got the TV home. Click on that. Now this is also being loading. So wait for some time. Let's see does it work, guys.
After clicking at TV home, in the above you will be seeing screen mirroring connecting. So now it has been connected. See, the same thing has been seen in the TV also. Now let's connect our movie or video, whatever. Now I'm playing the movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. See, it has been seen clearly. So that's all guys, it's very simple. Try this at your home. But before ending up the video, if you like this video, make sure to give a like. And if you have any idea for the next video, please give it in the comment box. And at least share this video to your known friends in this quarantine period. And click on the red subscribe button and the small bell icon so that you can notify when we upload videos quickly. Thank you guys.